Ever tried sending money to a friend living abroad and felt like you were navigating a financial labyrinth? So many options, so many fees, and so much confusion. It makes you wonder, doesn't it, if there's an easier way? A way to manage your finances seamlessly, even across international borders? That's what we're diving into today. Specifically, we're asking the question, does Emma support international bank accounts? Now, before we get into the specifics of Emma, let's zoom out for a moment and talk about why this is even important. In today's interconnected world, managing finances across different countries is becoming increasingly common. Whether you're sending money to family overseas, paying for international services, or managing investments abroad, having a streamlined way to handle international transactions is crucial. Traditional methods, like bank transfers, can often be slow, expensive, and riddled with hidden fees. This is where fintech apps like Emma come into play. Emma is a popular money management app designed to help users track their spending, set budgets, and ultimately gain better control of their finances. It connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, providing a unified view of your financial situation. But the key question we're addressing today is whether this functionality extends to international bank accounts. To understand this, we need to consider what it means for an app to support international bank accounts. It can mean a few different things. Firstly, it could mean the ability to directly connect and sync with foreign bank accounts, pulling in transaction data and providing a consolidated view of your finances across different countries. Secondly, it could mean facilitating international money transfers, allowing users to send money abroad directly through the app. And thirdly, it could involve supporting multi-currency accounts, allowing users to hold and manage balances in different currencies within the app itself. So, where does Emma stand on these points? Let's start with the direct connection to foreign bank accounts. Currently, Emma primarily focuses on supporting banks within specific regions, predominantly the UK and some European countries. This means that directly connecting to bank accounts in, say, the US, Australia, or Asia isn't a standard feature. While there are some workarounds, which we'll touch on later, a seamless, direct connection isn't generally available for accounts outside their core supported regions. Now, what about international money transfers? Does Emma facilitate sending money abroad? At the moment, Emma doesn't directly offer international money transfer services within the app itself. This means you can't use Emma to send money directly from your connected accounts to an international recipient. You would still need to rely on other services for this, such as traditional bank transfers, online money transfer platforms, or other specialized fintech solutions. Finally, let's consider multi-currency accounts. Does Emma support holding and managing balances in different currencies? Again, the primary focus of Emma is on managing finances within a single currency, typically the currency of the region where your connected bank accounts are located. While you might see transactions in foreign currencies reflected in your transaction history, they will generally be converted to your base currency for reporting and budgeting purposes. Emma doesn't offer the functionality to hold or manage balances in multiple currencies within the app. So, to summarize, Emma doesn't currently offer direct connections to a wide range of international bank accounts, doesn't facilitate international money transfers directly within the app, and doesn't support multi-currency accounts in the traditional sense. However, it's important to mention a few nuances. Firstly, Emma does integrate with some third-party services that might indirectly offer some international functionality. For example, if you use a budgeting tool or a money management platform that does support international accounts and that integrates with Emma, you might be able to get a more holistic view of your finances. This is more of a workaround than a direct feature of Emma itself, though. Secondly, the fintech landscape is constantly evolving. Apps like Emma are regularly updating their features and expanding their services. So, while international account support might not be a primary focus right now, it's not impossible that it could be introduced in the future. It's always a good idea to check the latest updates and announcements from Emma to see if any new features have been added. Thirdly, it's crucial to remember what Emma is designed for. Its core strength is providing a comprehensive overview of your spending, helping you budget effectively, and giving you insights into your financial behavior. Even without direct international account support, it can still be a valuable tool for managing your finances, especially if you primarily operate within its supported regions. You can still track your spending, categorize transactions, and set budgets, even if some of those transactions are in foreign currencies. Now, let's address the question of why someone might be looking for this kind of functionality in the first place. As we mentioned earlier, the need for international financial management is growing. Many people work remotely for international companies, have family living abroad, or manage investments in different countries. For these individuals, having a tool that seamlessly integrates with their international finances is essential. If you're specifically looking for an app that excels in international money transfers, there are other specialized platforms that you should consider. These platforms often offer competitive exchange rates, lower fees, and faster transfer times compared to traditional bank transfers. Similarly, if you need to manage multi-currency accounts, there are specific banking solutions and fintech apps designed for that purpose. It's about finding the right tool for the specific job. So, coming back to our initial question, does Emma support international bank accounts? The answer, in short, is not in the way many people might be hoping. It doesn't offer direct connections to a wide range of foreign banks, doesn't facilitate international money transfers directly, and doesn't support multi-currency accounts. However, it's important to understand its core functionalities and its intended use case. Emma is a powerful tool for managing your finances within its supported regions, offering valuable insights and budgeting features. If you require robust international functionality, you'll likely need to explore other specialized platforms in conjunction with, or instead of, Emma. It's about understanding your specific needs and choosing the tools that best suit those needs. The financial world is full of different solutions, and it's about finding the ones that work best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.